Early information indicates that the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro could potentially debut in September 2024. If the leaks are accurate, the Fenix 8 would be released about 2 years after the Fenix 7 series, which was released in January 2022. If the Fenix 8 Pro is coming early September, it would face competition from strong rivals like the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Let's take a look at the rumors surrounding what Garmin Fenix might offer. The Garmin 8 series is rumored to feature an AMOLED display across all models, replacing the traditional MIP screens. This change promises more vibrant colors and improved visibility, especially in low light. However, it may impact battery life, a key feature of the Fenix series. Garmin may need to implement new power management solutions to maintain long battery life. There's speculation about integrating power glass technology with AMOLED screens, potentially offering both visual appeal and extended battery life through solar charging. Rumors also suggest the discontinuation of the Epix name, with the Fenix 8 absorbing a AMOLED model under its brand. This move could streamline Garmin's high-end offering. To cater to users preferring MIP display technology, a new model called Fenix E is rumored, potentially offering a more budget-friendly option with a transflective screen. These changes indicate Garmin's efforts to modernize while still catering to diverse user preferences. The potential inclusion of new features is generating considerable excitement among Garmin enthusiasts. Speculation abounds regarding the possibility of an updated heart rate sensor for improved accuracy, which would be a welcome enhancement for users who rely on their watches for precise fitness tracking. Additionally, there's talk of Garmin introducing some form of AI integration into their ecosystem, possibly through the Garmin Connect app. This move would allow the company to compete more effectively with rivals like the Apple Watch Ultra 2, which has been making strides in the adventure watch segment. The leaked information suggests that the Fenix 8 Pro will be available in 3 sizes: 43mm, 47mm, and 51mm. This range of options caters to different wrist sizes and preferences, allowing users to choose a watch that best fits their needs. The continuation of multiple size options demonstrates Garmin's commitment to providing a versatile product line that appeals to a wide range of users, from those with smaller wrists to those who prefer a larger, more prominent display. Early leaks mention aesthetic aspects such as slate gray, steel, and black with reference to black bands. While these color choices align with Garmin's typically understated and professional design language, it's possible that additional colors and material options will be available upon release, catering to various style preferences and use cases. Garmin has a strong foundation in use of advanced algorithms for personalized workout recommendations, route generation, and training programs. Integrating artificial intelligence (AI) into its products could lead to more sophisticated and tailored user experiences. This integration could enable features such as more accurate recovery time predictions and highly personalized training plans that adjust in real time based on performance data. The rumored release date for the Fenix 8 Pro in September 2024 puts Garmin in a competitive position within the high-end smartwatch and fitness tracker market. This timing allows Garmin to incorporate the latest technological advancements and respond to recent releases from competitors. It also provides the company with ample opportunity to refine new features, ensuring that the Fenix 8 meets the high standards set by its predecessors. Looking ahead at the future of the Fenix line, it's evident that Garmin is not becoming complacent. The possible transition to AMOLED screens universally indicates an acknowledgement of evolving user desires and tech trends. Nevertheless, the reported release of the Fenix E model featuring a classic MIP screen shows Garmin's acknowledgement of its primary customer group, who value battery longevity and readability outdoors more than how the display looks. The development of the Fenix series signifies larger patterns in the wearable tech industry, with smartwatches becoming more advanced and the distinction between general-purpose smartwatches and specialized fitness devices becoming less defined. That's everything. Share your experience with the Garmin Fenix series in the comments. We can't wait to hear from you.